Hi guys, and welcome to Hex tutorial. In today's video, I will walk you through how to remove a background of a picture easily using canva.com. So let's go. I'm now in my Canva account. So if you don't have yet a Canva account, you can check the link in the description down below for you to open a free account in Canva. So I'll go and create a design. I want it for my Facebook post. So that's it. I'll click the Facebook post. So now I'm in a blank page and I want to drag and drop the picture. I want to remove the background, so I go to my uploads. I want to remove the background of this picture, so I just drag and drop to the blank page. That's it. And I'll go to edit image and I will just click the background remover, and then boom, that's it. But before I will click apply, I want to restore some part here, so that's being removed. So I'll go to restore and then I'll use the circle to restore. That's it. Okay. And if I want to erase some part of the picture, I want to remove the lower part of the body, so I just click erase and then remove. Okay, I'm satisfied on that, so I'll go to done, then apply. So I want to download it, share, then download it. Let's check it out. That's it. The background is already removed. And if you want more to learn Canva tutorial, I just leave links on the description down below for you to learn more creating designs in Canva. So if the video is helpful, kindly click the like button and subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell. Thank you and see you in the next video.